We are going to have a quiz next Thursday. Y'all know there's a 3-day weekend coming up?
Sure, what's on Monday?
I think it's President's Day or something. So, headphones, please. Please. All right, now, check it out. Make sure you've turned in Intro to Polygons from 213. All right. If you actually got yesterday's assignment, by the way, if you don't have it, you know where to get it, the last folder in the blue bin, right? But you'll notice the back of that assignment has some problems that are kind of like this. They might be kind of intimidating. So I'm here to show you some examples of this, but I also want to show you right here, look. Sorry. The assignment I get, it might be a little bit difficult. So I, in the past, took the entire assignment, changed the numbers, and just made a video of doing it. So if you're stuck on any problem on the assignment, I posted in the stream today a video going through it, similar problems. So if you want to look at that to help you, that would be smart, just saying. But this hopefully can help you too as we talk about how to do these. So look, number one, I see a polygon and I want to solve for x. I can figure out x if I know what these all add up to, right? So here's the deal. I need to know the sum of these inside angles. Is there a way for us to find the sum of the interior angles? Yes, right? We did this yesterday and the day before. Sum of the interior, what the inside always adds up to, is going to be this formula, n minus 2 times 180. What'd you look over here? Now, here we go. How many sides is this? What is n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides, right? So n is equal to 7. So if n is 7 and I need to find the sum of the interior, I'm going to do 7 minus 2 times 180 to figure out what they add up to. So in my calculator, I did this earlier, and I got 900. So all these angles have to add up to 900. Okay, so 900 is what's going to be inside all these angles adding up. Okay. Now, I can make a big old equation using all these inside angles, equal sign 900. That's the equation. Okay, so here we go. Let's add these up. Now, this is going to be very long. Maybe write small. 136 plus 140 plus 148 plus this is 90 plus 150 plus 142 plus x, all those angles, all 7 of those angles equal how much again? 900, the sum. That's a really long equation, right? Just because there's a lot to it doesn't make it complicated. The way to make this way more easy is to, step 1, combine like terms, okay? Can't you add up all these numbers? What's 136 plus 140 plus 148 plus 90 plus 150 plus 142? Could you add all those up using your calculator? So, I already did it, and we got 806, okay? I trust y'all can type them in and get the answer, right? Okay, so we got 806, bring down the plus x equals 900. Now, that's a lot easier to manage. Could you solve that one-step equation? If I'm solving for x, how do I get rid of the 806? It's positive, so we subtract it, okay? So minus 806. What's 900 minus 806? I got 94. So x equals 94. All those angles now add up to 900. Cool. That's how you do something like this, okay? So you might have some on the assignment where you have to figure out what they add up to and go from there, okay? Now, these were inside angles. What do you notice about number 2? What kind of angles are these? Exterior angles, right? Look over here. Did we talk about exterior angles too? They're exterior because literally they're on the outside if you extend the lines, right? Now, They're not all exterior. Look, 88 is exterior. 5x plus 4, exterior. 57, 9x minus 6. But look, 131 is not exterior. If you treat it like it is, you're going to get the wrong number. Okay? Right? Now, here's what we got to figure out. What do all those outside angles add up to? Do we know the sum of the exterior angles? Do we know the sum of the exterior? What's it going to be? It's always 360. It doesn't change. Okay? So the outside angles always add up to 360. The only thing I really got to figure out is what is this angle right here? So if this is 131 and it makes a straight line, how do I find that missing outside angle? How many degrees is a straight line? 180 degrees. So take 180 minus that 131 to give us that exterior angle. 180 minus 131 is 49. Yes. So please label that 49. Okay. Not use 131. It is not outside, right? Now, what we're going to do is take all these outside angles, this, 49, and this, and add them up equal to 360, okay? Not 540. 540 would be the inside angles, but these are exterior angles, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and make this equation here. 5x plus 4 plus, by the way, 57 plus 9x minus 6 plus 49 plus 88 equals 360. The sum of the exterior is always 360. Okay, so I know that's another ugly equation. But once again, if you combine like terms, it's going to be a lot more simple and easy to solve, okay? So let's first add up all our x's. 5x, 9x, combine those to give you what? What's 5 plus 9? Five x plus 9x is what? Okay, 14x, okay? Y'all can't whisper it because I can't hear. Because you remember my birthday just happened? That was the birthday you lose your hearing, you know? All right, so now let's add up all those numbers. We got 4 plus 57 minus 6. See that minus sign? Plus 49 plus 88. So I already did it here. Please remember that's a minus 6. But I got 192 when I added up all those numbers. Cool? So plus 192 equals 360. That is a two-step equation. Could you solve that two-step equation? What do we do first then? Not divide, that's last. First we get rid of the loner, 192. How do I get rid of a plus 192? Yeah, how do I get rid of a plus 192? What's the opposite? Yes, subtract. All right, so minus 192 on this side and on this side. What is 360 minus 192? I got 168 when I plugged it into my calculator. Last step. How do I get rid of that 14? Divide is correct. So divide by 14. And then I got to figure out 168 divided by 14, which I already got, is 12. Okay? We figured out x. If they asked you to, you could plug x back in to figure out those other missing angles. Okay? But that's it for the warm-up. Please keep this stuff in mind when you're doing the back of the assignment. But today you need to work on what we got yesterday. What's it called? Angles of polygons. Okay, so you need to work on this if you're not working on other missing work, or if you're not working on corrections, which I'm going to let you know if you need to do. So you can go ahead and make sure your name's on your warm-up, pass it to the front, pick those up. It is Friday, There we go.